The population of girls that we have are not engaged in school, have probably not attended school for 3 to 5 years. Many of them have been abused physically, emotionally, about 90% of them. So curriculum just by itself wasn't doing the job, basically. They needed something else. 3 years ago, we developed a very unique and innovative program which involved curriculum for incarcerated girls. This curriculum was very specific in terms of using social-emotional themes, interdisciplinary, and project-based learning. What we found out very quickly was that it was the key to get the girls engaged.
The way we're doing things here with the what we call the TIP approach gives them a new breath into education where they're really able to get hands-on with the project, and then therefore once they're having the opportunity to get creative, they really open up to the learning aspects.
We do go through themes like power and empowerment, hope, transformation, and new beginnings. It's basically the cycle that the school wants to see for the girls.
And here we made paintings, different paintings on how the scenes of the jazz era made a difference to, other ethnicities too. They like jazz, that's how other relations in music started coming up. We also created poems about hope.
Then we talk about all around the world about what do other people see as beauty.
For our theme, Power and Empowerment, we got to purchase stocks. We had $100,000.
When you're able to create a project that they love, they also open up because they can see the connections between their lives and what they're doing in education.
We want them to be able to reconnect with education, but also reflect on their own capabilities, what they're able to do.
I learned more as to how smart I am. Like, I learned more as to like what I could really do sober. Like, you know, I feel awesome. I really do.
Once you start seeing those connections and you see them start believing in themselves, you know, as a teacher of at-risk youth, that's what you want to see, because then you can see the hope.
It takes a lot of work, it takes teacher collaboration to do this, it takes probation support to do this, but overall we're very, very proud of the curriculum that we've developed for this population and proud of the successes of our students and what we're seeing in them.